Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I thought I'd do a quick walk around video for our 1953 Packard sedan straight 8 that is ending today on Bring a Trailer. It's a gorgeous car and I really wanted to show it off, and I had some questions that people had, so I thought I would do a walk around, show off the glass a little bit, show off the tires a little bit, and give you any information I have. I don't know a ton about Packards, but I know a lot about cars, and this one's just so nice. Things that are impressive to me about this car are the chrome and just the details of how well preserved it is. The nostalgic smell inside is just wonderful. And the way these straight 8s run, it's smooth as butter. And the other thing, the cold starts are amazing. You don't need to choke it. You just push the pedal after you turn the key and it starts. And it's smooth from the beginning. There's no warm-up area that you have to get this thing back to life. Just smooth as can be. I'm gonna demonstrate that right now. Tires, I don't know how old they are. They're not cracked at all. Got excellent tread. I don't see any date codes, so I don't know how to date code them, but they're in good shape. Glass shows a few of these little chippies on there, but no big cracks or bullseyes. But yeah, look how nice this can be. So to start it, what you do is you turn the key on and press the gas, and it starts, and that's running. That's smooth. Doesn't smoke, doesn't make any effort. You can barely hear the thing run. It's probably in the 30s here, so you'll see a little steam coming out of it, but it's just smooth as silk. And if I knew exactly how to pop this hood on the first try, I'd do that for you, but I feel like I'd struggle for a minute, so I'm gonna make sure I know where the lever is, and I'll open that and do another video for you so you can see it running in a second. But look how nice, guys. I mean, the paint is gorgeous. All right, let me see if I can get that hood open. Barely makes a noise. You can hear the spark plugs firing. It's just a time capsule, guys. Easy to drive. You know, I don't know when the transmission was serviced last. I'm gonna see if I can look through the old auction and see if there's something on it, but it shifts through all the gears perfectly. All 2 of them anyway. It actually drives great. Hopefully you can tell from the driving video. Woo. There she is, guys. We'll be watching, so if I miss something or if you want to see a particular picture, let me know. Thanks again.